Lily, there's something here. Come quickly. There is absolutely no signal here. How are we supposed to live like this? Come on, move already. Great, stuck here for another hour.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk.
And if this is your first time watching, hello, my name is Tom.
And I'm Lily. We help you speak English naturally every single day.
So please hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps our channel grow.
70,000 of you are already part of our family. Thank you so much for that.
And today's topic is a big one, city life versus rural life.
Yes, and this episode is personal, very personal.
Because I am a city person through and through.
And I grew up on a farm, so we are going to compare our two worlds today.
Convenience, atmosphere, noise, everything.
Let's get into it. Okay, before we start, I want to ask you all something.
Oh no, I know where this is going.
Last month, Tom came to visit my family's farm for a weekend.
It was an experience.
So here's my question for you. What do you think happens when a city boy who orders everything on his phone spends a weekend with no delivery apps at all?
Just wait, you'll hear the whole story.
Keep watching because it gets pretty funny. Okay, so let's set the scene. It was a Saturday morning.
6 in the morning, Lily's rooster woke me up.
That's Benny. He does that every day.
I didn't even know real roosters made that sound. I thought it was just in cartoons.
Welcome to rural life, Tom.
So I get up and my phone has 0 bars.
Yes, no signal at my parents' house. Isn't it peaceful?
Peaceful? Lily, I almost had a heart attack.
Why?
Because I couldn't check my messages. I couldn't order coffee, nothing.
So what did you do?
I walked to your kitchen looking for my usual oat milk latte.
And instead?
Your mom handed me a cup of coffee she made on the stove.
That's my mom's special coffee. She's been making it for 30 years.
Honestly, it was the best coffee I've ever had.
See? That's what I mean. Simple things taste better out here.
Then we went outside and there was just nothing.
What do you mean, nothing?
No cars, no sirens, no construction noise. It was so quiet, it actually felt strange.
That's the sound of the countryside, Tom.
I kept checking my phone for notifications that never came.
And then lunchtime happened.
Don't remind me.
Tell them.
I got hungry around 1 o'clock, and my first instinct was to open a delivery app.
There is no delivery in the middle of nowhere, Tom.
I learned that the hard way. I stood in the field, holding my phone up in the air.
Trying to find signal.
Yes, like it was going to magically appear.
And what happened next?
Your dad saw me and just laughed at me.
Then he took you to the garden, right?
Yes, we picked tomatoes and vegetables right from the ground.
Fresh air, fresh food. That's rural life for you.
Okay, I'll admit it. That lunch was incredible.
See? The countryside isn't so bad.
It's not bad, it's just a different planet.
Fair enough. Okay, so today's grammar point is comparative adjectives.
We use these when we compare two things.
Exactly. For short adjectives, we usually add er.
For example, quiet becomes quieter.
The countryside is quieter than the city.
And loud becomes louder. The city is louder than the countryside.
For longer adjectives, we use more before the word.
Like convenient. The city is more convenient than the countryside.
And peaceful. The farm is more peaceful than my apartment.
There's also a pattern for equal comparisons. As plus adjective plus as.
For example, the coffee at my parents' house was as good as any coffee shop.
Honestly, it was better than most coffee shops.
See? You're already using it correctly.
So to compare, we say something is more, something is less, or something is as good as another thing.
Perfect summary, Tom. Let's practice this with real vocabulary now. All right, let's go through some key words for this topic.
Word number 1, convenient.
Something convenient is easy and quick to use.
The city is convenient because everything is close by.
Give us an example, Tom.
Sure, near my apartment there's a store open 24 hours.
24 hours? Even at 3 in the morning?
Yes! Last year I needed medicine at 2 a.m. and the pharmacy downstairs was open.
That is genuinely convenient.
City life makes everything fast and easy.
What about grocery shopping? Is that convenient too?
Extremely. There's a small market on my corner. I can walk there in 90 seconds.
90 seconds? You timed it?
Once, just for fun. My friend didn't believe me, so I proved it.
Only you would time a walk to a store.
Hey, that's peak convenience. No car, no planning, just walking by.
Okay, I'll give you that one. Convenience really is the city's strong point. Great example. Word number 2, peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and quiet, with no stress.
My grandmother's garden is the most peaceful place I know.
Tell us about it.
Every summer, I sit there in the evening and just listen to the birds.
Aw, that sounds really nice, actually.
No traffic, no noise, just nature. That's peaceful.
Do you ever get bored, though? Like, nothing happening at all?
Never. There's always something. A bird, a breeze, the sound of leaves.
In the city, peaceful means turning off notifications for 10 minutes.
That's not the same thing at all.
I know, but it's the closest thing I get.
You should try sitting outside without your phone sometime. Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes without my phone? That sounds terrifying.
It's not terrifying, Tom. It's called relaxing.
Okay, word number 3, commute.
A commute is the trip you take to work or school every day.
My commute is 45 minutes on the subway.
45 minutes every single day?
Yes, and it's usually packed with people.
That sounds exhausting.
It's a great way to start the morning, trust me.
What's the worst part of it?
Standing the whole way, holding onto a pole while someone's bag hits my leg the entire ride.
Every day?
Every single day, rain or shine.
My commute is different. I just walk across the yard to feed the chickens.
That's not a commute, Lily. That's a hobby.
It's my version of a commute, and I love it.
Must be nice not fighting for a seat on a train.
Word number 4, fresh air.
Fresh air is clean air, usually outside in nature.
At the farm, I wake up and breathe fresh air immediately.
How is that different from the city?
In the city, you smell cars and smoke. At home, you smell grass and flowers.
Okay, I have to admit that's 1 point for rural life.
Finally, he admits it.
Don't get used to it.
Do you even notice air quality in the city?
Honestly, only when it's really bad, like hazy sky kind of bad.
That's exactly why fresh air matters. You don't appreciate it until it's gone.
After that weekend at your farm, I actually opened my window at home for the first time in months.
See? Progress.
Word number 5, crowded.
Crowded means full of people.
My gym gets so crowded after work you can barely move.
Really?
Yes! One time I waited 20 minutes just to use a treadmill.
20 minutes for a treadmill? That's wild to me.
Welcome to city living.
What do people even do while waiting?
Stand there, scroll on their phone, and stare at the person running.
That sounds so uncomfortable.
It is, but everyone just accepts it. That's city life.
On the farm, the most crowded place is the barn during feeding time.
Crowded with what exactly?
Chickens, mostly, and one very dramatic goat.
A dramatic goat?
You'll meet him next time you visit. Word number 6, neighbors.
Neighbors are the people who live near you.
My neighbors are like a second family.
Give us a story.
Last winter, our car got stuck in the snow, and 3 neighbors came to help immediately.
3 neighbors? I don't even know my neighbor's name.
Seriously?
I've lived there 2 years. We just nod at each other in the elevator.
That's so different from my street.
What happened after they helped with the car?
We all went inside, and my mom made hot chocolate for everyone.
Aw, that's actually really sweet.
That's rural life. People show up for each other.
Meanwhile, I once left a package outside my neighbor's door by mistake, and we never spoke about it. Ever.
You just left it there and walked away?
What was I supposed to do? Knock and explain myself?
Word number 7, traffic jam.
A traffic jam is when cars are stuck and can't move.
Wait, I actually experienced this once, visiting you in the city.
Oh, I remember that day.
We were stuck for over an hour just to go a few blocks.
Yes, and you kept asking why nobody just got out and walked.
Because that seemed faster.
Sometimes it actually is faster to walk.
That's insane to me. On my street, we've never had a traffic jam. Ever.
Must be nice. My record is an hour and 15 minutes for a 10-minute trip.
An hour and 15? What happened?
A small accident, and then I just sat there listening to the same 3 songs on the radio.
That sounds miserable.
Well, welcome to my Tuesday.
Okay, last word, off the grid.
Oh, I know this one personally now.
Being off the grid means having no internet or phone connection.
Like my entire weekend at Lily's house.
Exactly. And honestly, being off the grid for a while can be healthy.
Healthy? How?
Because you're not staring at a screen all day. You notice the world around you.
I did notice a lot of things that weekend, mostly how loud a rooster is.
There it is again.
But honestly, by day 2, it didn't feel so bad.
Really? You seemed pretty stressed on day 1.
Day 1, I was in shock. Day 2, I actually enjoyed just talking to your family at dinner. No phones at the table.
Aw, see, that's the beauty of being off the grid. Real conversations.
I'll admit, I slept better that weekend than I have in months.
Maybe City Boy needs the countryside more than he thinks.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Lily.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
We compared city living and rural life using comparative adjectives.
For short adjectives, we add ER, like quieter and louder.
For longer adjectives, we use more, like more convenient and more peaceful.
And for equal comparisons, we use as plus adjective plus as.
We also learned 8 new words: convenient, peaceful, commute, fresh air, crowded, neighbors, traffic jam, and off the grid.
Each one connected to a real story from our lives.
My city stories and Lily's countryside stories.
Great job staying with us through this whole lesson.
Try using these words today. Compare your own city or town with somewhere else you know.
Now we want to hear from you.
Which one do you prefer, city living or rural life?
Comment below and tell us why.
And tell us if you've ever visited a place that felt completely different from your home. Tell us that story too.
We read every single comment, so don't be shy.
Let's see which side wins in the comments this time.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode.
We hope you learned something new about comparisons in English.
If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
We upload a new episode every single day, so there's always something new here.
Come back tomorrow for another lesson with us.
Until then, keep practicing your English.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye, friends.